What's up, everybody? This is Logan with Definitely Not Mechanics. Today's episode, we're going to the fucking junkyard again. We out here getting all kinds of crazy. Hey guys.
Hi, my name's Logan and welcome to Definitely Not Mechanics.
Welcome back to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. Today we're at the junkyard looking for a F22 motor for Derek's Accord because he installed a skylight in the side of his block. So right now we're looking for row 38. What row is that? We'll update you when we find the row.
14.
But this ain't it, fam. Here we go, first gen, fully smooth front bumper, no dents. That's a good find right there. Bottom valence is still there. Woo-wee! Got the flares. Came with a slinky. Bro, is that a carbon hood?
It's a carbon hood.
On this neon? Oh my god, look at these fenders, dude. These are sick.
Yeah, bro. They have. There's some. Look at the front bumper.
That's actually real carbon. Hold on, back up. Look at them canards.
I wish we brought some tools.
I mean, you can remember where it is and we'll come back and get it. Look
I
at
got a knife. Why is it in my back pocket? Why would I do that to myself?
I think these canards are like foam.
I think they're fiberglass.
No, they're foam. You can bend them. Sweet ass freaking mirrors. Yo, look at these seats, dog.
That's what I was saying. Holy shit.
They had a battery relocate on this thing. We just pulled the bucket for it out. There's a whole bunch of thick gauge wire. That's gonna be way cheaper here than it would be at an actual, you know, store. They had a battery relocate on this thing. We just pulled the bucket for it out. There's a whole bunch of thick gauge wire. That's gonna be way cheaper here than it would be at an actual, you know, store. This thing is so wild. Dude, it's got coilovers on it.
Yeah, I keep finding random areas like speaker wire.
Pulling it through?
Yeah, you got a lighter?
For what? Yo! For real, dude? Hold this. I do have a lighter. As a matter of fact. Yeah, I'm about to pop my hand off.
Man, you got my lighter. That's that anarchy shit.
That was super slow. Sick.
Mm.
Everything's been disconnected too. What do we find, buddy?
My motor. I think we found got an F22A6 without the head. No downpipe.
No, the head's on there. It just doesn't have a valve cover.
Oh, yeah, valve cover.
Cool. Exhaust is already taken off.
Yeah,
A bunch of shit's pulled off. The transmission's pulled.
Yeah.
No.
No, it's right here.
What attaches back there?
Nothing.
Something's missing back there.
It's okay.
Sick, dude.
This is all I know. Whole intake thing right here. That's what this was.
You gotta pull the Modi motor now.
This pipe.
Check the oil on it. It's right here.
Nothing. It's dry.
It's really dry. This one's. I'm gonna leave this right here.
Dude, the plastics. Oh my god, look at the seats, bro. I know, but still, look at them. They're so nice. I will take this, though. How's your steering wheel?
It's khaki. That's broken.
I'm gonna take the heating mirror. So you get another one more knob.
There's a cage back seat back here.
It's a little marked up.
It doesn't go to this.
Yeah, it's not. What do we got back here?
Wait.
Are you sure?
I don't know. Yeah. Why don't you take the extension off since you don't need it and you're just gonna tear up my socket? There you go. Sick. What'd you land that trick?
I don't know, who was that guy on YouTube?
Bleepin' Jeep.
Bleepin' Jeep.
Thanks, guy.
Thanks. Hero.
There you go.
My hands hurt so bad.
Trade these. We're at the part where we'd normally load everything. However, they told us it was going to be over $500 to take this motor with a starter and with a transmission. So we're going to pull this transmission off real quick and pull the starter off. And then they're going to charge us how much? $260, $245, and then it's $80 core charge. So in all, what's the math on that? 260 minus 80? 180?
80 is 190 something, 30 something, 190 something.
So
45.
yeah, a little under $200 he's getting himself this, which we could have paid $100 and drove to Arkansas, but they got freaking flaked on us, so fuck that guy, right? Sick. So we got the trans off, that big ugly thing is gone, and we shaved down our price by over half. So he's in there paying for this right now. He's gonna pull the truck around. We're gonna use this hoisty thing right here, pick this guy up by that seat belt. Fuck those runners, who cares? We really don't even need a head or a intake, so pick it up, set it in the truck, put all these tools up. This is our 400 foot of wire that we got here. And then we're gonna go grab some stuff for my truck. Nah, you can always use wiring.
This is great. What a great adventure.
All right, so we just got back to my house. We got the motor, but they closed right as we were loading it because they kind of fooled us around on a lot of stuff. We were just gonna take transmission all. They wanted like $500 or $600 for it with the transmission. So they're like, just pull the transmission off and pull the starter off, and it'll be like $200 and something. So we did, and then they're like, no, you got to take the intake off too. And we're like, okay, well, one of the intake nuts was stripped. So finally we got that off, and they're like, well, you have to take the flywheel off. Like, well, there's no flywheel on here. So what do you want me to do here? And pretty much broke every part we pulled off just out of spite. And all that's good. We've got the motor. Now we just have to pull the other motor out, strip this one down, start rebuilding it. It's already got forged internals from what I understand because it's a F22, is that correct?
That's my knowledge.
So we don't really have much to do other than replace bearings, seals, resurface the head, make sure everything's good in there. Any kind of performance upgrades we can do while it's open, we will. Put it together, slap it in, and then Derek can come cruise with us again. Don't you want to come cruise with us, Derek?
I want to come cruise with you. Oh God, I look crazy right now.
Yeah, you do. Check me out, bro. Look at that.
Jesus Christ, bro.
Hey, you gotta put the nipple away.
You're two-tone right now, bro.
I am two-tone. Yeah, but look, my ear's good because I wear my hat, you know what I'm saying?
Your ears are reddish.
Shut up, okay?
You got...
All right, well,
slap.
that's the end of the video, guys. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment if you want to see some more content like this, or if you want to see some different content. Check out our Facebook page. Our store is on there, and you can go straight there and you can buy stickers, koozies,